Tyres are the only point of contact between a vehicle and the road, making their performance vital to vehicle safety. 59% of recorded mechanical failures are caused by tyre-related issues. Original tyres are carefully selected through collaboration between vehicle and tyre manufacturers, and any changes in tyre size or type should strictly follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Tyres also have a finite lifespan, independent of their wear. As tyres age, the rubber deteriorates, reducing grip and traction. Manufacturers recommend replacing tyres once they reach 10 years of age, regardless of condition. One of the most common causes of tyre failure is improper tyre pressure. Underinflation leads to rapid tread and shoulder wear, increased fuel consumption, compromised braking and steering performance. Conversely, overinflation can reduce traction, especially in wet conditions, and cause uneven tread wear. Checking tyre pressure is quick and simple. You can ensure that your tyres are properly inflated with just 3 easy steps. Check the recommended tyre pressures for your vehicle. Measure the tyre pressure using a tyre inflation station or by using a tyre pressure gauge. It's best to check and inflate tyres when they're cold, or at least 3 hours after the vehicle has been parked. Inflate to the recommended pressure, either in kilopascals or pounds per square inch. The tread on a tyre is essential for traction, effective braking and steering. New tyres typically start with a tread depth of about 8 millimeters. As the tread wears down, they become less effective. In Australia, tyres with a tread depth below 1.5 millimeters are considered illegal and commonly referred to as bald tyres. To measure tread depth, you can use tyre wear gauges. Tyres also have tyre wear indicators in the tread grooves. Once the tread reaches the legal limit, the wear indicators will be flush with the tread surface, signalling that it's time for replacement. Shoulder wear is commonly caused by underinflation, aggressive driving, poor wheel alignment, or suspension problems. Looking for shoulder wear is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and preventing costly repairs. As a driver, what can you do? Inspect tyres before driving for condition, damage, and to ensure that tyre pressure is at the recommended level. Drive smoothly, maintaining a consistent speed, and avoid rapid acceleration. And choose the right tyres for the job. Don't forget the spare and regularly check it. And tyre repair and puncture kits should only be used as temporary solutions for minor issues. Have a professional inspect and repair the tyre as soon as possible. And as a manager, provide training on performing quick visual tyre checks before each journey, and include these tyre checks in pre-start inspections. Plan for seasonal changes. Take weather and road conditions for the upcoming season into account during vehicle servicing. Monitor tyre age. Keep a record of the age of each tyre and replace them as needed, even if they appear to be in good condition. Implement routine checks for all vehicle tyres, including spares, and ensure proper maintenance. Rotate tyres regularly to promote even wear. Maintain correct tyre inflation levels. Ensure professional wheel alignment and balancing, and ensure that tyres and treads are matched, especially on the same axle.